Coins have jagged or reeded edges for several reasons. Deter counterfeiting. Jagged edges make it more difficult to counterfeit coins. The intricate patterns and ridges on the edges are not easy to replicate accurately, making it easier for people to detect counterfeit coins by feeling the edges. Prevent clipping. Historically, when coins were made of precious metals like gold or silver, people would engage in a practice called clipping. Clipping involved shaving off small amounts of metal from the edges of coins to gather the precious metal for melting or selling. By adding jagged edges, it became evident if a coin had been clipped, as the edges would be noticeably smoother or uneven. Improve stacking and handling. The jagged edges on coins help them stack neatly and securely. The ridges create small gaps between coins, reducing the chances of them sticking together or toppling over. This feature is particularly useful for vending machines, coin-operated devices, and coin sorting machines, where smooth edges could cause issues. Enhanced grip. The reeded edges provide a better grip when handling coins. The ridges make it easier to hold and manipulate the coin, especially for people with limited dexterity or when coins are wet or slippery. It's worth noting that not all coins have jagged edges. Some coins, like most modern U.S. coins, have smooth edges. The decision to include reeded or smooth edges on coins is primarily determined by factors such as the country's minting tradition, cost considerations, and technological advancements in coin production.